Samsung is quietly preparing something completely different for 2026, and we just got our first real proof hidden deep inside One UI code. This isn't another small upgrade. This is a brand new foldable category. It's called the Galaxy Z Wide Fold, and it looks like Samsung's direct response to Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone. And based on what just surfaced from early One UI 9 builds, this device could change how we think about foldables entirely because it's dramatically wider than any Galaxy Fold we've ever seen. So let's break down exactly what Samsung is cooking up. Here's where this leak comes from. Developers digging through early One UI test builds discovered references to a new foldable with completely different proportions. Hidden inside the software are animations labeled with the codename H8, and they show a foldable device that looks noticeably wider and more square compared to the current Fold lineup. These aren't polished renders or final product images. They're simple animation assets, but they clearly reveal the direction Samsung is heading. According to reports from Android Authority, these early One UI 9 builds include both dark and light animations showing this new wide foldable in action. And even though the visuals are basic, they tell us a lot about the device's proportions. From what we can see, the phone features a centered front camera when closed and another centered camera on the right side when the device is opened. But the biggest takeaway isn't the camera placement, it's the aspect ratio. This phone appears significantly wider than the current Fold models, and it's rumored to use a 4:3 aspect ratio, the same ratio Apple is reportedly targeting for its upcoming foldable iPhone to give it an iPad-like experience when unfolded. That means Samsung isn't just tweaking the Fold design. They're building something optimized for a more square, tablet-style format that prioritizes width over height. And that leads to the obvious question: why make this phone at all? Simple: competition. The Galaxy Z Wide Fold looks like Samsung's strategic answer to Apple entering the foldable market. If Apple launches a wide, tablet-style foldable, Samsung wants a direct competitor ready so users don't feel the need to switch ecosystems just to try that form factor. And while wide foldables aren't completely new, a device backed by Apple could push the format into the mainstream, so Samsung is making sure they're not caught off guard. As for timing, the leak suggests the wide fold could debut alongside the Galaxy Z 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8 later this summer. Samsung has consistently launched its foldables around July in recent years, so this timeline makes perfect sense. Reports also indicate that One UI 9 could launch with these foldables, while One UI 8.5 is expected to arrive first with the Galaxy S26 series toward the end of February. So everything lines up for a mid-year reveal. Now, the big question. Will this design actually take off? Right now, it feels like one of those ideas that could either redefine the category or remain a niche experiment. On one hand, the wider design could make multitasking, reading, and media consumption much more natural. On the other hand, Samsung will need to prove why this is better than the traditional tall foldable, not just different. We've already seen how curiosity can drive demand. When Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Trifold, it reportedly sold out within minutes, showing that people are genuinely interested in new form factors. Personally, I'm cautiously optimistic. At first, the idea of a wide foldable sounded unnecessary, like carrying a small tablet in your pocket. But the more you think about it, the more the appeal starts to make sense. Having a device that unfolds into a more natural tablet shape could be incredibly useful if the software experience is right. But for this to succeed, Samsung needs to nail three things: compelling use cases, fully optimized software, and a price that feels justified. Because if it's just wider without real benefits, it won't matter. So here's where things stand right now. The Galaxy Z Wide Fold appears to be real. It's likely launching alongside the Fold 8 and Flip 8 this summer, and our first look at its proportions comes directly from One UI 9 code. It's wider, squarer, and clearly designed to compete head-to-head with Apple's foldable iPhone. Whether it becomes the future of foldables or just an interesting alternative, we'll find out soon enough. So what do you think? Would you actually buy a wide foldable, or are you sticking with the traditional fold design? Let me know your thoughts. And if you want full coverage when Samsung officially announces this device, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.